How to use FOHA, F-O-H-A, to supersize and grow your business. FOHA, in this instance, stands for full of hot air, like a balloon, not a balloon. This is actually a lead weight, but it's the best I could do to come up with a balloon today because I don't have any balloons. For some reason, I don't have any balloons. Around birthdays, maybe I'll have balloons or see balloons, or we'll have balloons around someone's birthday, not necessarily mine. We'll have balloons, but right now, no balloons anywhere in the house. Now, that's maybe not true. I get, if I were to dig in boxes and dig through my office, I could probably come up with a balloon, but I didn't think of it early enough this morning before I started talking. So full of hot air, which I'm giving an example of being full of hot air, just talking, being foolish, talking nonsense, being pompous or vain are other meanings of being full of hot air. The idiom to be full of hot air. Well, how the heck can we use this for our business? How would being full of hot air be a good thing to grow and build and supersize our business? Well, there's a lot of ways. This was actually an idiom from the mid-1800s. Mark Twain is attributed with using it and writing it first in about 1873. And it came from the fact that when humans speak, when we talk, we exhale hair. So we exhale hair. We exhale air when we talk, and it's usually warm air, right? I don't know if you've ever breathed out on your hand, but it usually feels warm. In the winter in Wisconsin, we do that a lot. We blow on our hands and stuff because we're freezing. Actually, my granddaughter taught me to put my hands under my armpits. I don't know where she learned that, but it does work. It warms you up. So now we know how to get warm when it's cold wherever we are. So full of hot air. Do you know anyone? Have you ever been a little bit full of hot air? To me, full of hot air means more than just being pompous or vain or talking nonsense or foolish. It's more along the lines of talking nonsense or being full of it, like, you know, full of the brown stuff, not just full of hot air, but just talking as if you're an expert or knowledgeable on something that you really don't know a whole lot about, that you don't know what you're talking about. We've all had colleagues or relatives or friends even, or acquaintances or people that we just meet that are talking to us as if they're an expert on something, and they're clearly not. You know, the whole fake it till you make it thing, I could probably do a whole day talk on the plus and minus of faking it until you make it. Yeah, we need to have confidence. We need to believe in ourselves that we can do things we've never done before, because we absolutely positively can. But that's not the same as faking it until you make it. You don't pretend you're something until you become that. You don't pretend you're an awesome athlete until you become that. Yeah, you can visualize that, but you don't become an awesome coach or leader or, you know, brain surgeon until you actually achieve that status where you have performed that task, done that thing. Personal opinion, could talk, like I said, about that for about an hour. But in our businesses, we need to instill confidence in the people that we're building our business about. That comes from painting a clear vision, not faking it until we make it. We are creating and painting the future of what we want our business and our world to look like. That is not faking it. That's different. Creating a vision, sharing a vision, painting a picture for people, creating a culture in a business and an organization for people to get behind to create that vision and make it a reality. That is not faking it until you make it. Visioning is not faking it. So I'm getting off like a full of hot air on a side topic. Oh, surprise. So full of hot air. We all know people that talk like they just know it all. I love being out experted in an area that I know that I actually have decades of experience in. I think it's actually kind of fun because people always show us and tell us exactly who they are by what we say, what we do, how we act in given situations. So we just want to always be on the lookout for that. It happens with us, and it happens with everyone that we meet, right? Everybody we meet shows us how they respond to stress, how they respond to pressure, how they rise to the occasion. If there's a stressful situation, we need our hot air to rise to the occasion, to be the person we need to be to solve problems, to create solutions, to serve people and give value to the best of our ability. So I actually like the idiom full of hot air. I think it's fun. I think it's an interesting idiom. I think we can use it to create vision in our businesses, not necessarily create a false sense of security, trust, or hope. We want people that we work with to really know who we are. I say be yourself, be real, be honest, be who you are. Stand up for what you believe in and show that to the world, and that'll attract the right people to you. We all want to work with the people that we're here to serve, not with everybody, not with people that hate and heckle and give us a hard time because they don't believe the same things we do. We don't want to work with those people. So let's make sure we're using our voice, we're using our vision, we're using all of our skills and abilities and expertise to attract the right people to us so we can make the world a better place for them. And there's other people out there that'll make the world a better place for the other people on the planet. All right, love this idiom. Love to know your experience with it. That's it. Go out, have an absolutely amazing day. I will be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to grow and build your business right now? Take care.